Convert this layer's mask to black using Ctrl+I. Now grab a soft white brush and paint only over the iris, revealing the new color. Be careful not to paint pupil or white part of eyes. Reduce layer opacity to 50 to 70% to look more natural. Create a new layer in overlay mode, and with a white brush at 20% opacity, subtly paint over lighter areas of iris to add brightness. Add another curves layer. Click to hue/saturation layer and increase contrast only in iris. For final touch, use burn tool to slightly darken outer edge of iris. This adds depth. Use dodge to brighten natural reflection. Eyes now have vibrant but natural color.